One bright morning, Roro the red panda packed a small basket with sandwiches, fruit, and juice. He tied his little blue scarf neatly and skipped happily into the meadow. He spread out a blanket under a big oak tree. As he enjoyed his picnic, Roro noticed ants carrying crumbs. "Even tiny creatures have important jobs," he said gently, placing a few crumbs aside just for them. When the wind blew, some trash rolled across the grass. Roro picked it up carefully and put it in his basket. "Keeping nature clean makes it happy," he nodded. At the end of the day, Roro lay back on the blanket, watching clouds float by. "The earth gives us so much," he said softly. "It's our turn to take care of it."